You can earn $49, $98, even $170 per day with this Google passive income idea that I found. And on today's video, I am going to teach you step by step how you can make your first $150 with this Google passive income idea. If you are new here, my name is Rookie Rich, and on this channel, I teach tips on how to make money online and offline. So welcome to join the family and let's dive in. But before we get started, I want to quickly show you guys something. So let us head over to Google and type in something like how to start a faceless YouTube channel for beginners, and then search it. Numerous websites is going to pop up. Mind you, these websites are ranking websites on Google because there are lots of websites that are talking about this, but the reason why they did not pop up is that they are not ranking on Google. Let us take this catchy one right here and click on it. As you can see, all they do on this website is to post valuable information, valuable articles, and make money through various easy methods from using Google. I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can monetize a website like this. Let me quickly show you one of the simplest way that this website is able to generate income. As you can see, the owner of this website is telling people how much benefits and value it is to sign up and join a platform called vidIQ. So for those of you that are not familiar with vidIQ, it's a YouTube platform that teach and give creators tips on how to grow on YouTube. So what the owner of this website does is affiliate for vidIQ. If someone come on the internet today to look for how to start a YouTube channel and they came across this article, that is what they're actually on the internet to look for. They click on it and they read the article, right? It gives value, and they came across the vidIQ affiliate link, which is a deeper way to grow your YouTube channel. And I use vidIQ too because I'm a YouTuber and it's actually helped me with my YouTube journey. And they click on it, they purchase the vidIQ package for a little amount of money, which help them grow their YouTube channel. The owner of this website is earning a commission from it. It's a win-win, right? And in 10 minutes, I am going to walk you through how you can build a website like this in step by step. And this step is absolutely easy for beginners. So if you don't even know how to build a website, you don't have to be a pro, you don't have to be a techie. I am going to teach you everything on today's video. You want to find a niche. Now, what is your passion? What is something that you come on the internet every day to search for? What are the things that you consume the most on the internet? That exactly is what you might want to talk about. Okay, you might have different varieties of options, you might have different passion, but you want to choose one that people are actually spending their money on. You understand? You might have passion to draw, passion to play football, so many things, okay? But you want to choose one, you want to take one of those that is currently trending. And the way you can do that, you can just go to ChatGPT and input all your passions there and ask it that which one of it is trending now that you can monetize on social media. So that one is actually your niche, is something that you want to talk about. Okay, let me use myself as an example. I love talking about finance, I love talking about money, okay? And that's exactly what I am doing on the internet. If you see me in real life, I might ask you, okay, what do you want to do for as a side also? So just don't follow what other people are doing, just go for your thing, okay? And make sure that people are actually spending money on it. And if you are confused, you don't know what to do, I want to know that there are 5 things that humans need. It is a must, and these 5 different niches are something that you can monetize on this channel. The first one is love, the second one is health, the third one is wealth, the fourth one is happiness, and the fifth one is entertainment. So if you want to consider the love niche, then you can just write article based on relationship, based on love. People have love issues every day. People come on the internet to search for so many topics that is relating with their relationship, how to deal with toxic men and all of that. So you can just write article based on that. And the second one, which is wealth, which is something that I am doing. So you can just, this is a video content that I'm doing, and yours is like a written content, which is a blog website. So you can just write articles on how to make money online, how to get monetized, and all of that. That is the wealth niche. You can teach people how to make money, but yours is going to be a blog website, okay? Then the happiness one is niche on self-development. I mean, if you consume YouTube and social media a lot these days, you know that niche is currently trending. How to reinvent yourself, how to do this, how to do that. Just self-development and self-love niche. Just make that a blog post, okay? And the fourth one is entertainment, sports, celebrity talk, everything that is happening around the world, finance, everything, just entertainment. Okay, so if you're someone that loves entertainment, then just focus on that niche. And the last one is health. So health niche, you can post blog articles on weight loss, weight gain, how to gain muscle, how to lose belly fat, just around health niche. Okay, so those are the 5 things that humans need every day. I have given you guys the clue now, so if you can write something based on any of those 5 niches, then you are good to go. So just find what your niche is. It is definitely inside any of those 5 niches. So I wish you good luck on that. Now the next step is for you to brand and optimize your website. After you talked about a niche idea, then you want to think about the keywords and the branding and optimization tools that you will use to have your website up and running. You know, for people to be able to recognize that your website even exists, you have to have a brand. That is the name of the website, the logo of the website, the color of the website. What exactly is your brand? What is your unique touch that you are bringing to your website? What is the name of the website? Is it going to be a personal website or is it going to be a business website? So for you to be able to figure all these things out as a complete beginner, you need to get inspirations from your competitors. That is, people that actually have a blog website around that niche that you want to talk about. So just get ideas from them, check out their websites and get inspiration from them. But you don't want to fully copy everything that they are doing, just get inspiration from them. And that leads us right into the third step. After you've know what your website is going to be about, now how do you even build this website? Your website is going to be the body and the most important aspect of you having a website. So for you to have a website that is up and running, the first thing you need is an hosting platform, because hosting is actually the foundation of your website. And the second thing you need is your domain, which is, for example, rookierich.com. So that is your domain. That's like the brand, the name of your website. Something is the website itself. So the hosting platform that I recommend is Hostinger AI Website Builder. With Hostinger AI Website Builder, you can build your website using AI, and you can also build your website manually. But as a complete beginner and you want to speed up the process and make everything easier for you, then I advise you just go for the AI Website Builder. If you want to sign up on Hostinger, you are going to get 70% off discounts. The win-win, and I actually have a detailed video on how to build your website from scratch. I'll just link the video right here and I will link it in my description. So after watching this video, if you're interested, you can just check it out and build your website using Hostinger AI Website Builder. Now the next thing you want to do after you've built a website on Hostinger AI Website Builder, you want to start writing blog articles that is centered around the niche of what you want to talk about. So I advise that, you have a niche, right? So the first thing I advise that you take inspiration from other people, right? And you build and you get a blog article that you want to use for your website. So if you are someone that loves writing, then you can write it manually, or you can also pay someone to write blog posts for you to fasten up the process. And you can also make use of ChatGPT to generate you blog article based on your niche, and you just take that and make some changes, some corrections. You add your unique touch to it, and that exactly is how you are going to generate articles for your blog website. But one thing I want you to have in mind is that your article should be aligned. People should be able to know your website for something, and this is what you do on your website. You don't want to come today talk about love, come tomorrow talk about wealth. Just niche down on something, okay? That will make it easier for you and for your audience that you are trying to target. And the way you can make money from having a website, I'm going to mention 2 ways you can make money from having a website. The first one is through Google AdSense. Whenever someone click on your website, they watch ad. If you notice, whenever you are Google searching something, there's always ad, all these bets and so many ads that pop up. Those people are actually making money from their website, and yeah, you just scroll away. So it does not matter. All you have to do is just to have a website. Google will place ads on your website when you meet up to a certain requirement. And the second way you can make money from having a website is to affiliate. What person that you are talking about on your website, just affiliate for any products that relates to that. For example, I am talking about money on my YouTube channel, I can affiliate for a product that says the fastest way to make money online, and if you purchase that product, I will get a percentage commission from it. It might be 40%, 50%, sometimes 100% commission. Yeah, so and I wish you good luck on that. And lastly, you want to direct people from your other platform. If you have a YouTube channel, if you have TikTok, if you have Instagram, if you have a newsletter, direct people from there to your website, so they'll be able to read your articles for free and you are making money. So that brings us right into the end of this video, guys. I hope that you guys gain a value. Kindly subscribe to my channel, get me to 1,000 subscribers, guys, if you have not done that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.